today I'm going to be installing Seals It rod-end boots on my heim joints and my steering so that hopefully they don't wear out as quick. Oh yeah. So you got to get this special tool to install them, which is actually pretty cool. I'm also using some of this Tri-Flow lubricant to put on the heims before I put the boots on there. Hopefully keep them working good. If you have a steering setup like this that has heim joints in it, or maybe long arms, anything like that, you know these heim joints wear out pretty quick because they're exposed to the elements, dirt, dust, all that crap gets in there and just grinds away at them. Alright, so I have no idea if this is how you're supposed to do this, but this is what I'm going to do. Square it a little bit. And then rotate that around. I'm going to do it on both sides. Put a little bit on the body to make the boots slide on good. Take one of your boots. You can see they're really tiny. There's no way you're going to slide that on without the tool. Take your tool and spread it open. And then hopefully pop it in there. Come on. There we go. And just kind of pull it out. There you go. Hopefully this will make these last a little longer. With heim joints you use misalignment spacers so that you can take up the distance between the bolt and it can still function through its full range of motion. I think I'm going to do with those, I was able to get this one to stick in there. So I actually used the tool, spread open the side like that, and then I was able to shove the misalignment spacer right in there. This side didn't stay in. I think it's just because it had some of that Tri-Flow lube on it. So I think I'm going to try and put these in while I'm installing them back up into the Jeep. So I'll put it in there, hold it, clamp everything together, and then put the bolt on. That way it's not just mashing down on this edge when I go to tighten it. All sealed up.